You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly, I said correctly, the name of this beautiful island in Greece. If you want to learn more Greek vocabulary and names of cities there and locations, places, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Locally, in Greek, it's pronounced as Santorini, Santorini. In English, however, the name of this island is pronounced as English pronunciation Santorini. Easy once you know Santorini. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.